What if everything you know, your life, our planet, billions of galaxies, is just a speck in the dark? What if our universe is not a standalone reality, but the inside of a colossal black hole? And if that's true, we are not alone. Beyond this abyss may lie other worlds, other realities, entire multiverses. Terrifying? Then listen carefully as we unravel one of the most mind-bending theories in modern cosmology. Prepare to question everything you thought you knew about existence itself. Imagine a region of space-time where gravity is so incredibly powerful that nothing, not even light, can escape its grasp. This is the enigmatic black hole, a cosmic devourer that warps the very fabric of reality around it. Its boundary, the event horizon, is a one-way membrane. Cross it, and you are forever lost to the outside universe. For an outside observer, time inside a black hole doesn't even exist in the way we comprehend it. It stretches, distorts, and ultimately ceases to have meaning. This makes black holes not just gravitational anomalies, but profound mysteries that challenge our understanding of physics. They are cosmic enigmas, holding secrets that could redefine our place in the cosmos. Now, let your mind wander to a truly audacious idea. What if everything we call the universe, every star, every galaxy, every atom, might actually be the inner contents of such a black hole? Not just any black hole, but one existing within a higher level reality, a universe far grander than our own. This isn't science fiction, it's a serious, albeit speculative, scientific hypothesis. This theory suggests that our entire observable cosmos could be a mere pocket, a contained environment within a much larger, unseen structure. It forces us to confront a profound question. So who are we? Are we prisoners of a cosmic collapse, forever confined within an inescapable boundary? Or are we perhaps the children of something far greater, born from a process we are only just beginning to comprehend? For decades, the Big Bang Theory has been our leading explanation for the origin of the universe. It describes an initial state of extreme density and temperature from which our cosmos expanded. However, the Big Bang model faces a profound challenge: the singularity. This is a point of infinite density and zero volume, a mathematical construct where the laws of physics break down. Enter the intriguing work of theoretical physicist Nikodem Popławski. He proposed an alternative to the singularity, a concept known as the Big Bounce. Instead of matter inside a black hole collapsing infinitely into a singularity, Poplawski suggested it could reach an extreme density and then rebound. This rebound would be an explosive expansion, creating a brand new universe. Think of it like a cosmic trampoline. Matter falls in, compresses to an unimaginable degree, and then, instead of collapsing further, it springs back. This powerful rebound could generate the conditions necessary for a new universe to form. From the perspective of an outside observer, it would simply appear as a black hole, a region of no return. But from the inside, from our perspective, this rebound would manifest as a rapid, explosive expansion. It would look exactly like what we call the Big Bang. Our universe, with all its galaxies and cosmic structures, would be the result of this incredible rebound. This means our own Big Bang wasn't necessarily the absolute beginning of everything. Instead, it might have been the consequence of someone else's end, a cosmic recycling process on an unimaginable scale. The idea of our universe being inside a black hole might sound like pure fantasy, but some intriguing observations lend it a peculiar kind of support. One such clue comes from the study of galactic rotation. Astronomer Lior Shamir, using data from the James Webb Space Telescope, made a fascinating discovery. A significant number of galaxies appear to spin in the same direction. This finding is highly unusual. In a truly random and isotropic universe, the spins of galaxies should be evenly distributed. You'd expect roughly half to spin clockwise and half to spin counterclockwise. Yet, Shamir's research suggests a subtle but persistent asymmetry. This cosmic alignment is a puzzle that standard cosmological models struggle to explain. It's like finding a vast field of windmills all turning in the same general direction, without any obvious wind source. But what if our cosmos inherited its spin? If our universe was born from the collapse and rebound of a parent black hole, it's plausible that it could have inherited a rotational bias from its progenitor. Just as a spinning top imparts its rotation to objects it interacts with, a rotating black hole could imprint a preferred direction of spin onto the nascent universe within it. This inherited angular momentum could explain the observed asymmetry in galactic rotations. This isn't definitive proof, of course, but it's a suspicious clue, a cosmic fingerprint that aligns remarkably well with the black hole universe hypothesis. It makes us wonder, does that mean we carry the very DNA of the black hole that gave birth to our world? Are we, in a sense, a cosmic echo of a previous existence, forever linked to our mysterious origin? Consider the profound implications of this theory. Imagine, our entire existence, every star we see, every galaxy we observe, takes place inside a sealed structure. We cannot cross its boundaries because the walls are the event horizon itself. This cosmic barrier is not a physical wall, but a point of no return, a boundary defined by the extreme curvature of space-time. We are, in essence, confined within a cosmic bubble, unable to perceive or interact with the reality beyond our own. This raises a deeply unsettling question. Is there even a point in searching for the outside? Our instruments, no matter how powerful, are bound by the laws of physics within our universe. We can never truly see beyond the event horizon that defines our cosmic home. To us, reality looks like an endless ocean of galaxies, stretching out to the very limits of our observable universe. But perhaps, in the grand scheme of things, it's just a droplet in a much larger picture, a single cell in an unimaginably vast organism. And here's the most disturbing thought of all. If this theory holds true, humanity isn't necessarily the pinnacle of evolution, or even a unique cosmic phenomenon. We might simply be a shadow, a fleeting existence, inside a cosmic Matryoshka doll of black holes within black holes. Our universe could be nested within another, which is nested within another, in an infinite regress of cosmic confinement. This perspective challenges our anthropocentric view of the cosmos, suggesting we are but one tiny, contained experiment in an endless chain of creation. If every black hole can indeed seed a new universe, then the implications are staggering. The cosmos would not be a singular entity, but a vast, interconnected network of realities. There could be countless universes, each born from the collapse of a star or a supermassive black hole in a parent universe. Every collapsing star, every dying giant, could be giving birth to an entirely new reality, a cosmic womb for a nascent cosmos. Some of these universes might look remarkably like ours, with similar laws of physics, familiar elements, and perhaps even life as we know it. Others, however, could be wildly different. They might have different fundamental constants, leading to entirely alien laws of physics. Time might flow differently, or even in multiple directions. Life, if it exists, could take forms we can barely conceive, evolving under conditions utterly foreign to our own. Our universe, with its specific laws and conditions that allow for stars, planets, and life, may be just one branch in an infinite cosmic tree of worlds. Each branch represents a unique universe, a distinct reality, all stemming from the same fundamental process of cosmic recycling. This vision of the multiverse is not just a collection of parallel worlds, but a dynamic, ever-generating system, constantly creating new realities from the remnants of old ones. Now, think about this. Maybe in a parallel universe, a copy of you didn't even click play and just scrolled away, missing this profound journey. And in another version of you is still watching right now, liking, commenting, and subscribing so they won't miss the next video, eager for more cosmic revelations. Or maybe, in some universe, this video doesn't even exist, and you're pondering entirely different mysteries. So, which universe are you in? And what if one day, even we unknowingly give birth to a new universe of our own? If this mind-bending theory is true, then we live inside a cosmic prison, a magnificent, awe-inspiring prison, but a prison nonetheless. We may never truly know who created us or how many other worlds within worlds exist beyond our event horizon. Our reality, as vast as it seems, is merely a contained experiment, a single chapter in an infinite cosmic story. But here's the chilling part, the ultimate twist in this cosmic tale. What if our black hole universe someday collapses? What if, after billions of years of expansion, our cosmos reaches its own point of extreme density, and then, like its parent, undergoes its own big bounce? And inside us, another universe is born, with its own people, its own stars, its own fears, completely unaware of the reality that spawned them. Would they be our children, our cosmic descendants, inheriting the legacy of our existence? Or would they simply be our shadows, a fleeting echo of a reality that once was, forever confined within the boundaries we ourselves created? We search for answers in the stars. But what if the cosmos itself is the trap? What if we are only a spark in an eternal chain of black holes and universes, a never-ending cycle of creation and collapse? So tell me, do you think we will ever see beyond the edge of our own black hole? Will humanity ever truly break free from its cosmic confines? Or are we destined to forever wonder about the vast, unseen realities that may lie just beyond our reach? The universe holds its secrets close, but the quest for knowledge, the insatiable human curiosity, will always push us to explore the boundaries of what is possible. This journey into black holes and the birth of universes is more than science. It's a challenge to our very perception of reality and time. If our universe is a black hole within a greater cosmos, the possibilities are endless and haunting. What do you think? Does this theory fill you with fear or with wonder? Tell us in the comments. And if this cosmic mystery sparked your curiosity, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our next dive into the unknown.